I didn't really like school, so I left and I didn't go to college with no experience and joined the industry. Competitive rates, all the time is different work.
I've worked for Cubbies for around 6 or 7 months now. For me, it's the variation. You're never doing the same task for more than a week, 2 weeks at a time.
I did an apprenticeship in civil engineering, 4 days on the job, 1 day a week at college. Variations, good, never doing the same thing.
You need to be hard working, good working in the team.
Creative, self-motivated.
Interesting, working as a team. Take any training that's offered, yeah, it's going to come in handy someday, even if it doesn't seem like it will. Any opportunities that's given, take them.
We're building the future.
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 We're building the future.